there we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor for absolutely free. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. And guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got this latest and how you can get this online, and later we will get it later we will test it all. Does it actually work? So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser and copy your profile URL. So when you copy your profile URL, let's get back to the tool and just click this small button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID from that URL. So just click continue, guys, and it will start searching for our user account. So it should find us. As you can see, you should get this message user found and you should get your info here. So it's my name and it's my avatar. So guys, now we will have to click here import newest updated Delta Executor. Click there, and then if you want, you can select additional scripts that you would like to get along this Delta Executor. I will select Forge Hub and NICUs, guys. I like these two the most, and click continue when you select this. So it will start connecting and third step will load up. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So I will record it more. So yeah, and there we go, guys. API is connected, nice, and we got our activation key generated, guys. It's the key that we will receive along our Delta Executor activation. So guys, we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not robot and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with key. So guys, it's one-time verification and we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. So what will I do now? I will download Merge Gardens and TikTok. So guys, how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers. And guys, one more important step is to follow their instructions for each task you complete. So guys, for Merge Gardens, I will install and reach level 9, and for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks, be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Merge Gardens and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened, so it should redirect us every single second. So let's see, will we actually get this? So there we go, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID connected and our key is now unrevealed. So guys, let's open our Roblox and let's test, are we actually receiving our Delta Executor. And we can play whatever game I like, grow a garden, guys. So I will click there, I will click play, and let's see, will we actually get our Delta Executor. So let's see, and there we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor for absolutely free. It works amazing, guys. So yeah, and also let's test. Yeah, we got our NICUs and Forge Hub, guys. So let's click on any script and let's see, is Delta Executor doing its job. So as you can see, it's game detected. So guys, let's test this script and let's see, does it actually work? So is it legit? So yeah, Rejoin, anti-AFK, teleports. Yeah, rejoin is working. I don't know why I clicked it. So I just wanted to test it, guys. So rejoin is working, and let's click again on NICUs. Let's test NICUs now, and we will test some options, and it should be this. So yeah, there we go, guys. It's also working amazing. We got player, enable jump power, teleports. Yeah, it's teleporting amazing. So let's jump now, and it should jump really high. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.